How to train cats. Cats are animals of the Smurfs, relatives tigers, leopards and lions, and have a good reputation in humans because of their familiarity, intelligence, self-reliance, and tendency to play, entertain and interact with humans. Pet cats, also called domestic and native cats, are very similar to those living in the wild, graceful organisms with a strong body, claws and sharp teeth dedicated to hunting small animals, such as mice, rats, birds and lizards, and cats have a great skill in hiding and hunting. Felix cactus, however, they have a significant variation in size, body and fur color, and to distinguish cats on the species they are classified into a large number of breeds, each of which has distinct small characteristics, and cat hybrids marry different breeds of each other to obtain new breeds with special characteristics. And one of the most famous cat breeds in the world is the night cat, Abyssinian, Burmese, and Burmese. And the Siamese, and the king, they abound and vary. The cat is an object of great importance in human culture. These animals appear in ancient legends and artistic drawings of Greeks, Romans, ancient Egyptians and other peoples. The cat's skeleton consists of 250 bones, protects the internal functional organs of the animal's body. The muscles connected to the skeleton are long, thin and flexible, and help the cat move gracefully and quickly, with a speed of running up to 50 kilometers per hour. These animals have strong hip joints that allow them to jump large distances, have claws capable of lying under the skin when they don't need to be used, thanks to flexible tendons that pull them under the skin of the foot or allow them to be alone. And cats can use their claws to defend themselves, cling to their prey, or climb trees. Otherwise, cover the soles of the feet of these animals with thick leather cushions. It has a sponge texture. And thanks to this property, cats can descend from high altitudes and absorb shock with their legs alone, so if they fall from a height, they instinctively flip themselves into the air to land on their legs. The cat has a long tail that helps him balance while moving and climbing. The cat must be immunized from common and infectious diseases, such as secretions, fever and enteritis, injected with anti-infectious and common diseases. Basic training is one of the most important points in cat training is to train them to know their name, especially as they eat, and the reason for this is that the cat in the food stage is a good listener and listens directly to everything around him. Food is very essential in training. It is the reward that makes the cat realize that he has done a good job, and that he has to do more of it in order to get other prizes. When starting to train the cat, it is advisable to equip a tool that produces a fixed type of sound, such as a whistle or a cracker, a tool with a bell ringing with every pressure. Such sounds help to attract the cat's attention and his knowledge that he is undergoing training. And the usual method is to use the whistle or bell and then provide food to the cat, so he can link the sounds issued by these tools to the training session, without which he will not meet. They are why you give him a food reward and he will consider it just a gift. Call the cat, for example, to train the cat to come to its owner when desired, you should start from the time of food. Before opening the cat's food box or pouring its contents into the dish, the trainer must ring once with his vocal instruments. And with a little repetition the cat will understand that the sound means something good, which is getting food. So he will come to his owner as soon as he hears the sound, even if it is issued outside the usual eating times. You can start calling the cat from short distances, and rewarding him, when he comes, with some food, and then the cat will get used to it. Using a bathroom can also train cats to use the bathroom, but this can be a little difficult. In normal conditions, the cat must have a waste container that knows that it has to leave its waste in it. And the trick in it is to change the place of the bowl constantly. The cat will start using the bathroom chair in the normal way. When you want to train the cat to aspirate or order things, the owner can simply lift a piece of food in front of him, slightly above his head, and then represent the aspirance movement. The cat will then have to stand on his cheeky feet and lift his body and front legs so that he can reach the food. And then you must click the sound tool to give the cat a sign that this was training, and then give him the